We will install low carbon steel pipe to connect pressure reducer and filling valve. This is low carbon steel pipe for high pressure gas. Its diameter is usually 6 mm or 8 mm. First, twist the pipe according to the available path from the gas filling valve to the pressure reducer. Fix the connection at the pressure reducer side and cut off extra pipe at the filling gas valve side. Wrap the low carbon steel pipe with a corrugated pipe to improve its durability. Connect the pipe firmly to the gas inlet fitting of pressure reducer with ferrule and nut. Stick PTFE tape to the pipe connection interfaces to prevent air leakage. Connect the other side of the pipe to the gas outlet fitting of filling valve with ferrule and bolt. Lastly, rub machine oil on the plug of the filling valve to make lubricated. For more information, please contact us.